Hello, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here for the first time, I am NK Joy Sweet. You are welcome to my humble and authentic kitchen. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so as soon as possible. Hit on the notification button so that whenever I update any of my videos, you will be notified. So today's video, cook with me Nigerian authentic ogbono soup recipe. Guys, this ogbono soup is absolutely tasty. This finger licking soup is absolutely delicious. My husband can't stop swallowing because of this soup. So I have beef and cow vein, I have pomo, I have roasted fish. In a clean large pot, I'm going to transfer the beef. The beef is already washed and nicely cleaned. So I'm going to stir in the diced onion, and I'll be using 3 seasoning cube and salt to taste. And I'll add enough water and bring to a boiling. I'll boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to boil the beef until the beef is cooked and soft. So right now I'm going to cover the pot, and next I will blend the ogbono. So the meat is well cooked. So I'm going to remove the meat from the meat stock and set aside. So I'm going to stir in the ground dried pepper with ground crayfish. I have bitter leaf, ground ogbono, pomo, and roasted fish. So I'm going to pour the ogbono and mix with the palm oil. You can also stir in the ogbono while you have added palm oil. You can stir the ogbono, or you can also use this method. This is another method of making ogbono. So I'm going to stir very well to make sure that there is no ogbono lump left. So I'm going to stir very well. Lump at all. So I'm going to stir very well. So once the stock, because I just added pepper and ground crayfish. So once it's boiled, I'm going to stir in the ogbono. Just with little water, not much. If you carefully watch the video, you see how I made this ogbono soup. You can also ask questions if you want. Free. So now I'm going to add water gradually. So I'm going to be stirring consistently so that the ogbono will not get burnt. So right now I'm going to stir in the bitter leaf. The bitter leaf is washed. I just took my time to wash this bitter leaf very well, making sure there is no single sand, because the kind of bitter leaf we eat here is only God that will save us. Guys, sorry, I neutrally forgot that I paused the video while adding the fish, beef, and the pomo. So pardon me, I was doing something else, so I forgot to play the video. So guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. pinch of salt. So right now I'm going to allow the soup to simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Then I will turn off the heat. You can serve with eba, pounded yam, or semo. Guys, check it out. So next time I'm going to show you how I roll this eba. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.